Hello, friends. Welcome back to Momentum Stocks. 390 points up is what Nifty is showing. Sorry, Bank Nifty is showing. 2-3 minutes that market will start. Let's do the honors by playing our opening music and continue. Not a very positive opening, friends. Okay, decent opening, but I would call it. It was an opening somewhere here, 350 points or 394 points was what it was showing. So from here, 950, 10, 350, somewhere here it should have opened, but it opened somewhere here. That's here. Okay. Nifty is making green candle. Bank Nifty is making red candle. That's not affected. Anyways, that's fine. As usual, first step 10 don't take trades. This was a nice trend line. Now we consider this trend line when it comes to Nifty. Bank Nifty, this level is an important level for Bank Nifty. It is a break kind of a level where Bank Nifty is right now. Buy was HDFC Bank going down. Sell that was given was Reliance, that is also going down. Reasons for buy, sell, everything is there in the previous video. Those who have missed can go and watch the previous video. They'll get all the details of why it was given for a buy. Another 5-6 minutes is what we have for a trade, friends. And see, this was your trend line. Breakout is done. Now if we analyze this on a 1 hour time frame, we see this breakout followed by retest, okay, and upward momentum. Simple. Nifty has crossed the top, okay. Bank Nifty is struggling at the shoulder itself. Top is somewhere here. So comparatively, Bank Nifty is weaker. Good morning, Krishna ji. HDFC was given for a buy. Okay, this was a nice candle for buy. Otherwise, this breakout would be the best place to buy. Let's make it blue. Reliance for a sell. It has come for a retest. Yesterday in the video, we have already discussed this. From the recent top here till the bottom. Nice level to sell actually. We can plan it here. This is the best place to sell is what was discussed yesterday. Why? Because we also have a resistance zone here. And we have rejection of Fibo also. So with those reasons we can sell. Nifty, Bank Nifty outperforming upwards. Nifty has gone above the top, the previous top that it has made. Nifty is almost at this rejection. Bank Nifty, sorry, is almost at the rejection zone here. Okay, that is where it has taken its previous rejection also. Okay, it is crossing the top. So this was the top which is crossed. Nifty, this was a top already crossed. The day high was crossed, then the recent high was also crossed, swing high. It is a good day to go long, friends. We'll wait for a nice confirmation, some price action, and then we can go upwards. See, HDFC, this is where we expected it to go up, and it's continuing to move up. Entry can be triggered here. Those who don't want to take risk can wait for this particular trend line to break. Reliance struggling to go above the 23.6 levels. Okay, let's mark this level and keep it ready. And that way we don't have to be confused with the Fibo and all. Nice upward momentum has come. 930 crossed. All the balancing acts are done now. As per price action, we can select it for a sell on a red candle here. In that case, what would be our target? Our target will be this place or this place. This is as per price action. We don't have any sufficient reason to do that. Why are we saying that? Because the market is going one side like this. So it will retrace and continue going up. And we are saying as per price action, we can capture this retracement. That's all. It has almost crossed all the stop losses of this area are done. Okay, so now next stop loss will be here only. So will it go straight and hit that stop loss? The answer is no. In my opinion, it will take some retracement and then go up. What are we doing? We are going to move the day high. See, Nifty also took rejection and upward momentum. This would have been a nice place to buy Nifty at this area. 67 or 68. 5 points up is what we are right now. In that case, your stop loss will be the low of this red candle. Here in HDFC, you see a breakout. Retest is happening. So the strength is what it is showing. Let's wait for a proper retest. So Reliance is going up. Let it go. No hurry. Bank Nifty has hit these stop losses. Will it go hit these stop losses direct? The answer is, I think, no. We are how many? 45, 42, 207, around 70 points up. Without retracement, 70 points. Big doubt. There is also a trend line coming like this. So this is your trend line. Okay, it's following this trend line. We have marked the top already. This is looking like a breakdown. Finally. Now, at this breakdown, are we going to short immediately? No, we'll wait for a retest. Some 40, 50 or little bit of retest will happen and then it may fall. We will make sure that we keep our Fibo handy for good targets, friends. Now, this is one way of creating Fibo where we are getting this as a target. Both the targets are active here. Second way of creating the same Fibo is only today's data. Like this. Here we are reaching 50% by the time we reach here. This is a common target. In both the cases, this would be the common target. So that is what we will keep seeing. This area can be kept as a target. This is little difficult. This one can be achieved. So it's simple, friends. If I remove this Fibo, I'll show you how it looks. It started with the upward momentum today, came down, went up, again down, and continuous. So all we are looking forward is to capture this momentum. Simple. No rocket science here. Price action, simple price action. Now at this point, with such small reasons, we cannot expect it to break the low, continue to fall. No, that's not what we are expecting. We are expecting a small price action till this point or this area and continue to go upwards. That's all. A small downward momentum in Nifty. Reliance is reacting downwards big time. HDFC Bank has given a breakout, retest, and upward momentum. Now this is your entry for Banknifty short. Okay, we will keep our target. 52 is our entry. Yeah, target can be some 40-50 points can be the SL, and against that 1:1.5 this area. Perfect. No rocket science. And now we will patiently wait. Chalo, will it allow us to play the big bull today? There's a big question. Fingers crossed, toes also crossed. See, I'm touching this low and this low with this trend line. What are the learnings in this trade, friends? Just remember, we were preparing ourselves with this particular trend line. We waited for a breakdown. If this breakdown would have happened here, we would have not taken the trade till there. Then we waited for a retest. After retest is what we took our entry. These are the learnings in this particular trade as of now. Now, will it allow us to play the big bull? Yes, no, maybe. We'll decide that later. This is your stop loss. This is going to be your target. 1:1 is that. I just draw that level. Let's see. Okay. It's going up from here. Somewhere here is your 1:1. HDFC breakout, retest, and follow on upward momentum. Reliance down, retest, and little downward momentum. Again a retest. Banknifty made a good low. What was the low? 303 was the low that it made till here. Okay, and again went up. Here in this particular trade, friends, we are not going to capture big momentum. We are going to capture small momentums. At this level, what we are going to do is, those of us who have multiple lots, more than one lots, can take 50% exit, okay, and trail the stop loss to 0. So what would happen is, you would not be in loss at any cost. What is important is not making money, friends. What is more important is we should not be losing money. So here at this level, book 50% at least and get your stop loss to cost. So Worst, if it hits the stop loss, you would not lose anything, you'll still be in profit. This last sentence that I told was especially for option buyers, friends. Why am I saying that? Because even if you are losing money, you are still paying STT, SST, security transaction charges. Considering this last swing, it has come up to 23.6. No, it has not. A little more downside is there. Your Reliance is at a retest level. We are shorting Reliance at this level. Okay, this would be the stop loss. Stop loss is very important. First stop loss, friends. This is where we'll keep our target 1:1.9. We'll actually, after 1:1 is what we'll trail. Here it has come, breakout done, followed by retest and upward momentum. And these candles are little confusing. Small green candles here and there. There is the fight between buyers and sellers, friends. Now, if it touches this area, see these 3-4 candles, and goes up, that means sellers have lost it. And if it crosses this area, that means buyers have lost it. And that does not mean that it will go till the bottom. That means that we will at least reach our target. That's all. Reliance is little against us as of now. HDFC breakout, retest and upward momentum. Our entry is not yet done. Reliance has hit our stop loss already. See, this is the perfect entry is what I told you for Reliance, friends. In this case, we'll wait for it to go till here. Okay, against that, we'll also increase the target, of course. But then, yes, this was a perfect entry that I was telling you. So we were in little hurry and we entered here. And this is where we'll definitely take a exit. Bank Nifty has given us 1:1 already. Amazing momentum in Reliance, friends. If it has to take rejection here, it will take, otherwise it will continue its journey upwards. We will ignore the stock in that case. See, second time it has come till here, HDFC, and upward momentum. HDFC is performing well. Bank Nifty as expected came till 1:1. One candle that went little below that, that's all. How many of us entered in Reliance, friends? Tell me. HDFC finally, after this breakout, is going up. Reliance has almost hit the stop loss. As soon as there is a candle that closes above this is what will take a full exit in Reliance. Bank Nifty is tempting us to take a full exit because it is creating a breakout angle. This is your breakout angle. See, friends, 50% is already booked somewhere here. Okay, rest 50% is at cost. So you will not be losing any money. That's important. That is the principle that we are following, and that's where we are. Reliance very close to the stop loss. Those who have not hit the like button, friends, quickly hit the like button. Perfect momentum that we captured here, and we already have booked profits here in this area. Bank Nifty trail stop loss at 15 points from entry. Very good, sir. You are following the trail stop loss logic. That is the only logic which will keep you in market for long. If you are not following stop losses, you will make 1-2 profits. But when you make loss, you will be out of the market. When a trail stop loss is hit, you also get an opportunity to do some things again. Say for example, your trail stop loss is hit here and you get it somewhere here. You can short it again with a very small stop loss. Just an example. I'm not saying that one should be doing this today. Here, this is an example, friends. Okay. Reliance, no one took right. Hit the stop loss. There is a candle that closed almost above this. So Reliance we are going to ignore for the day. All we are looking at is HDFC. I told you to buy somewhere at this candle. Then it gave a breakout, a retest where we could have bought again, and an upward momentum again. You can rewind the stream and see that I told you to buy it here also. We can buy it here. I told you this was a perfect opportunity to buy. And then this is where I told you this, and it went up, retest and upward momentum again. Nifty Bank, kind of a breakout. How many of you have seen yesterday's video where I gave you explanation of Banknifty? Very important explanation that I gave in yesterday's video. This particular momentum is what I'm talking about. Okay, very good learning. Don't miss that part of the video. If you are really serious about trading in stocks and want to learn and earn from Indian stocks, you should not miss this part of yesterday's video. So probably 2-3 minutes is what I explained you everything, all the logics. See friends, there are 6 people watching the video right now and there are only 3 likes. The rest of them are watching it for free. I'm not going to get any money if you are liking the videos. What is important is the effort that we are putting is shared with more and more people. Multiple people see the videos. That's when the efforts that we are putting will be fruitful. More people will get an advantage to see the video. That is the reason we ask for those likes. So there are 6 people and there are only 3 likes. Okay, now 5 likes. Good. Thank you. Now big question is, will Bank Nifty allow us to play the biggle? We are waiting. Let's see. Going up, trail stop loss hit friends. Okay, here our trail stop loss is hit and it is continuing to go up. Okay, the trade is closed here. So we booked 50% profit here, which was very fruitful. Yes, you have to play biggle, sir. Usually I am playing the biggle when it is touching our target. Okay, this was a 50% target, but this is a trail stop loss that is it. So does it qualify? It does not qualify. In my opinion, no. Even if we are making money in this trade, we would not play the biggle for that reason, friends. If it goes and hits the target, we will definitely play the biggle. And our intention is always to play the biggle. That's okay. In this particular momentum, see what has happened here in HDFC. Amazing up move, friends. And Reliance has stayed there. It did not go up. Amazing up move came when Bank Nifty was moving up like this here in this area. Sir, check Maruti stock. 1 second. Maruti is coming up. Maruti, a big buy, friends. See, this was the day high from where it has gone up. It's also a buy stock today. We would not buy at this level anyways. We'll wait for a retest. 633. Somewhere here is what we can buy it, friends. 633 area. So in this case, what has happened in Bank Nifty's case is simple. Exact retracement till 23.6 levels here and upward momentum. It made a double bottom at 23.6 and upward momentum. That's exactly where we had our line handy. So that's where it made a double bottom and upward momentum. Acha, forget about the biggle now. I wanted to ask, how is this logo looking, friends? We have created this particular music. We have modified it a little. Let me know how this is looking. Okay, I'm going to play it now. Currently the market is sideways, so we have time to do all those things. So just tell me, how is this looking? We have created this for every video from now on. I want your inputs as to how is it looking. Nice, sir. Thank you. See, Bank Nifty is going to hit the stop loss of these people now. In this particular candle, it looks like it has already touched. Yes, it has already touched that line. After that, again it might retrace and go upwards. Maruti continuous upward momentum. Last 3 candles are standing man candles. Okay, those of us who are seeing the video late, friends, I understand that. See, on the top left, you have a time. Currently, the time that it is showing is 10 seconds, 24 seconds. Okay, on the top left also, you can see the same time. So if you are behind, you can go ahead and watch the video in 2x or 3x, 2x speed on YouTube. That way, you will come back to the normal time and you would not be missing out on updates that are coming at the exact time, friends. Okay. HDFC outperforming. ₹8 and 21 paisa. Lot size is 500. 4,000 made. We didn't take the trade, but I'm just telling you. That's how one should be thinking, friends. See, I gave you here, then at retest and upward momentum. If I capture from here, it will be ₹10 almost. Reliance straight to the stop loss. You can ignore Reliance for now, today. Maruti has to retrace a little like this. That's where we can select it for a buy. See, this was the area which was a breakout area. Okay, this is your breakout. After breakout, it did not retest till here. It gave a pullback. That's all, a small pullback till here and upward momentum again. So if it retests, it will go ahead and retest till this area. If there is a small pullback, it will come till here only. This is also a breakout actually. So this will be considered as a retest, but if it crosses, retests here and then crosses this area, you can select it for a buy. Pullback, my stop loss hit in Maruti got 11 points in CE. Very good. See, this pullback is what we are talking about here. For Maruti, there are multiple targets upward, friends. Nifty is consistently outperforming, friends. See, this is where I told you we can buy and it is going straight up. This is a head and shoulder that it has at this level now. I hope it is clear, friends, why I marked this blue. Nifty is at an important resistance right now. In Nifty, what we are looking for is some kind of bearishness. In 1 minute, we can see that bearishness already. That is this double top kind of a pattern, which is still to form. This is also looking like a upward channel. Even Bank Nifty is at the same important resistance. If you remember this day, friends, this is where I told you to sell it. Exact area that we decided to sell. There is a gap here after this. Gaps act like a support and resistance. All these stop losses are done, friends. No, it has nothing to go and hit a stop loss above this. Nifty is at a make or break level. Bank Nifty is at a make or break level, both. We have our Fibo handy in Bank Nifty. Nifty friends, the way it is hanging here, na? The way it is hanging, it can fall. If it falls, it will fall drastically. It is literally hanging here. We are looking for more reasons actually to sell. You already know one thing, friends, that we are looking for sell positions in Bank Nifty and buy positions in Nifty. The reason for that is simple. See, the top was here. Nifty has gone much above that. Here, Bank Nifty top is here, and which are just above the top. All the stop losses is what it has eaten here. That's all. See this is what I was talking about, friends. It's hanging. The way it is hanging here, it will fall drastically, is what I was talking about. And exactly. Did we not discuss this? We already discussed this. The double top pattern, an upward channel, the way it is hanging, it will fall quickly, is what I told you. That's a different case, that we did not create a position here, but yeah. We also had Fibo handy here. 38.2 levels is what we are looking for. There it goes. From where we marked this line, friends, okay, from that top, it has gone down by 25 points, 26 points actually, in 2 or 3 candles. At least someone who was in buy position from here, right, they would have taken exit here with what we said, this hanging wala logic. This 38.2 would have been our target, and it is achieved here. Okay, Bank Nifty did not fall at all. We are bullish now on Bank Nifty for that reason. Okay, so we will keep a small stop loss probably here, and the gap filling as a target. Where is the gap? Where is the gap? This target 577. This is a buy side trade, friends. So that's giving approximately 1:2.81. See, Maruti has come back to our retracement levels now. Okay, this can also be bought, friends. Long. See, this is the retracement. Let me draw that. blue color. Okay, this is your retracement where we have selected a, or we have created a buy position. Nifty also can be chosen for a buy, friends, because it is exactly taken a retracement till 38.2 levels. Here, top will be the target here. Keep this as a target. Below or just here is what we will keep our stop loss, which is making 1:2. Anyways, it was a good day, friends. We made money here in Bank Nifty. Reliance gave a stop loss. Nifty, we predicted this fall perfectly. We are bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty both now. And Maruti also is something that we are bullish on. Maruti was not a stock of the day, but it was asked by one of you. That is the reason we talked about it. And now it is already 10:30. We are coming to the end of this particular stream. Hope you people enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Do share it with your friends, family members, everyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks. Your likes are very important for us, friends. Without the likes, the video will not be shared to many people. So please hit that like button so that our efforts will reach more and more people, friends. Hope you are liking the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are ending the video with our closing music. Thank you so much, friends.